Okay, Boxy, you understand? You understand how to do?
Yes.
Yes.
I think, yeah.
Okay, take two. Take two.
Yes. Then put Boxy
Oh my
slowly
god.
got it.
Boxy's boxing.
Boxy
they're
slowly got it.
locked in.
Boxy slowly got it. Yeah, she's locking.
Yes.
Go.
I'm like some fucking child.
The plates, the plates.
They get
Clean.
the dirty plates on the. Get
Gimme.
the dirty plates. Yeah. I take the bowl also, Boxy.
So cute.
Oh,
The
oh,
fucking
yes.
raccoon is so cute.
Oh, you're gonna have to steam that real fast.
I need fish. Oh my god, I'm lagging. Ah!
Wait, you guys might miss the. You guys might miss the carrot.
No. We won.
Boxy need to like serve fast.
I am.
Boxy is the most
speed.
important thing. Boxy, the plate. Serve it. No,
Serve it. I need a plate. Boxy, run.
Are you
Cut it.
Oh my god. Wait, you
I
should do the
was-
one that's crossing the road one. You should do the one that's crossing the road.
Why?
Why
are you
not?
doing this to me?
No, it's not. It's just like really honestly a great experience because you might get hit by a car. This level is relatively much easier compared to the one that you just did.
Are
Take
you
rice, cook
alive,
rice, take
Boxy?
rice, cook rice, yes.
Huh?
Take fish, yeah. Take the fish, yeah. Okay, Boxy, take the prawn, yeah. Cut it, yeah.
I didn't.
Plato.
Meow.
Take a plate, take the dirty plate to wash. Take the dirty plate. Oh shit.
I put this down here.
Wash
What the
it to
fuck?
wash.
You put it in the fucking sink! Why you put it in the
I didn't know. Okay, look. My bad.
Boxy low key, if he works, he's just like, oh my bad. I just serve stuff. I don't wash it. My bad, girl.
Fuck you.
I need more fish! Move out of the way!
Take the dirty plate, Boxy.
I need the Plato!
Dirty plate.
You need it with seaweed.
Yo! And hey! Look at the fucking menu, Lojibai!
You don't need prawn.
Foxy, can you see what we need at the top left corner?
Can see that.
You can see that while you're giving me ingredients I don't fucking need. Nah, take stop. I love making.
Oh my god, I know this. You have to press the controller to move it.
Wee! Hey,
Oh
take fish. Take a fish.
Why am I not
Take
moving?
the fish.
I cannot move.
Fish and the meat. Drop it.
Oh my god, she almost threw it
Come,
to the other side.
you. Hello.
Cut it,
Cut it, Lojibai. Can you throw it?
That was amazing, Boxy.
Thank you.
I like how you aim everywhere except for like where it's supposed to be thrown. You threw it in the water. I mean, like you didn't even throw the fish into the water. Okay, you can serve two things, but you can pass up both the fish.
I don't have plate to put the fucking fish. I got no plate. Ah,
Oh my god, you have to wash it.
hello, serving. Put it in this. This need cucumber. Take the fucking thing in the Oh, but I need plate.
Wash the plate, so much the plate.
Rice incoming. Take it now.
You need seaweed.
Why you
You need seaweed. You need seaweed. You need seaweed.
Can I?
Okay, that's great.
Yeah, enough plates, Boxy. You only can serve one last thing.
Yeah, take it. Some this. Where's the cucumber?
I don't even know how to do this.
Oh, you serve.
It's so seaweed and rice.
Oh my. I'm crying. Imagine I go to Japanese. Imagine I go to Japanese restaurant. I go to Japanese restaurant. I order seaweed, cucumber, and rice, and the person seaweed and rice.
You don't play anymore, pussy ass. Okay, we play the most easiest level. Come.
Loki.
Why are you standing in my way? Ah, why are you standing in my way? Okay, we don't even need to clean. Okay, all we need is
Yeah, we don't even need
lettuce,
to wash, bitch.
tomato, and cucumber. Cut it!
Yes.
Cut it!
Boxy can't play level 4.1, so we're playing tutorial.
I need tomato, la chibai. Hey, tomato,
Yeah,
tomato. Come here, come here, come here, come here. We go walk hey. Ah, walk hey. Yes, understand? Just put everything inside.
Okay.
You need to cut. Why you put? Why? And then you cut that. Cut, chop, chop. Potong, potong, yes. Okay, masuk dalam. Bagus. Habis surprise, ambil ni. Ambil! Potong! Masuk dalam. Okay, best. Tu jangan potong! Tu masuk dalam aja. Kau nak potong noodle tu kenapa, bodoh? Ini potong. Ah, ambil. Hey, the fire, the fire, the fire, the fire. Give it to the fire. Yes, give the pot to the fire. Drag the thing to the fire. Best. Move! 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 I am crippled. I have to do everything, is it? You see me? I'm on a wheelchair, bro. So. Ay! Hey, the plate is piling up. Can you clean it? Thank you.
Okay, I clean.
You hit me for what?
Skitty.
You skilly shoot me, you little bitch. Yeah, that's right. Fuck off. Take the plato. The clean plato. Hurry up lah. Move lah. Hiya. You take the plate lah. What the hell?
You take the plate.
Move lah. Why you? Hey, give me the plato. What the fuck? The thing! How do you throw to customer? Hello!
For the customer.
Customer, the one that eat raw food lah. You throw to their face, you think what?
Okay, bye bye. Good night.
Fruit, can I have orange? How the fuck do you get the orange?
Oh. What the hell?
Can you grab the orange? That's not orange.
I can't.
You the chopping board at your area and then you give me for what? You give the fish to eat for what?
The fish hungry, you know?
Fish hungry your head.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh, come back.
Where did my go?
She went
I
to
got
go
to
nap
sleep, she's
because she
tired.
EP.
Nap.
Yes.
No.
Oh, you want to be in charge of the fruit? I in charge of this sushi.
Okay, can.
I hate this button.
I agree. This button sucks.
What the fuck did we ask this kitchen with a button? Why? Who's fucking? Is it your idea, Boxy? Go for your idea.
My idea? I'm already suffering with this. I wanna add a button, so yeah.
Take this. Fuck off. I can't even clean the fucking.
Thank you very much.
I need to clean the plate for you. You don't want clean plate for you? You want to serve dirty plate?
Yes, I want to serve dirty plate.
I serve dirty ass. You want dirty ass? I give them your dirty ass. Hey, go put it on the plate. Hello. What are you waiting for? Christmas, is it?
No. Christmas is long gone already.
Exactly. Then what you waiting for? Hiya. Hiya, no time already. How did we get 1,000?
I don't know.
Did we get 4 stars?
We did? Okay. Oh,
Where's my noodle? Oh my god, I cannot fucking move.
okay.
Why did you?
Why did you?
Oh, the fire went out. Yeah, move that one to the left. To the left. To the left.
Wait.
Move it to the left! Oh, there's double beef leh. Hiya, so greedy. Fucking piece of shit.
These are one beef and shrimp, motherfucker. Pick one.
Hiya, the fire's gone. Ah! Making me work like no fucking tomorrow with this wheelchair. Hello. I should be paid double. I fucking handicap here.
I got one shrimp.
I got the meat. That's meat? Yes, that's
Very
meat.
nice.
Juicy tenderest.
Juicy, tenderous.
How am I supposed to serve?
I'm going to.
No! Bata dahwe. Can you move this away? I cannot, my wheelchair stuck! Can you get the shrimp? Where'd the fire go? Hello?
What, bro? The fire.
I need a serve! What's the 𝓬𝓽𝓬𝓱? Serve it. How dare you? You stupid fucking fire. Get the fire, put it on the fire.
Put down.
Drop it! Drop
No.
the fucking thing!
I'm trying to.
Hiya, motherfucker, cannot wait till I chibai. Fucking
Yep.
scratching my ass.
Who are you sketching?
Hey, I don't have legs, okay? Let me
Fair.
let me scratch my butt. You know how hard it is to
okay.
make my
How
wheelchair
dare you.
move while I... Do you just throw that shit in the bin?
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I tapped back in and then you guys are cooking in big ass pots.
It's not a pot,
Yes.
it's a wok.
Oh,
My wheelchair is automatic, bro. I don't need hands. Why do I have a plate?
I don't know. Why do you have a plate? Why am I stopping?
What the fuck are you cooking?
Huh?
What are you cooking?
What am I cooking?
What are you cooking?
Oh,
What the fuck are you cooking?
this too.
Move! What are you standing there? Hello?
See? Oh, I mean, I'm just admiring the scenery.
Man, you dropped the plate! The fuck?
What the fuck did I just do? What is this?
What concoction did you do here? What concoction? You're trying to concoct what?
I'm lagging. Why am I lagging?
Because I'm lagging and I'm the host. What the fuck? The laughter of someone going crazy. It's actually crazy. Yeah, the fire went out. Take it. Why you put it on the plate? Why the fuck did you put it on the plate?
I don't know. It's okay.
Can you put noodles in that one so that it's cooking?
Yeah.
And why is there missing a shrimp?
Missing a shrimp.
Don't you not see that it needs 2 shrimp? Why is there 2 noodles inside? The fuck?
I cannot. It's 3. I put the noodles into the wrong one.
You know what? Fuck this
Oh,
level.
shit. You sound super happy to be here.
It reminds me of my internship.
Your internship? Oh god.
Oh
Fine.
no, the dragon. It's the
What is
dragon.
that, dragon?
I'm gonna drag his fucking...
Say it. You're gonna drag his one, huh?
his fucking balls!
I want the fucking play, but I don't wanna run.
Oh
alone.
my god! You have a lot on your plate. You motherfucking little fuckface.
I agree. He's a mother.
He's a mother.
I stopped at mother because I honestly forgot what you said.
Oh,
Oh,
it's
I-
supposed to move. Ah.
God damn it. Oh,
Should we just make one person stuck?
this is one person just stuck there. I'm me. And okay.
Can you scared? Oh, but I cannot give you stuff. Can I?
Yeah, you cannot.
Said who?
Yes.
Said fucking who? Where the hell is the serving area? Am I dumb?
Huh? Is it?
Oh.
The bottom left.
I am dumb.
Okay.
No, this is so annoying, painfully hard.
Yep.
Oh wait, I have an idea. I'm gonna throw all the ingredients to one side.
Why am I catching it?
Just
Why
throw
do I
it!
catch Stop catching it. I don't want to catch it.
Why do I have a carrot? No, no, you stupid fucking dragon!
I don't know.
Why are you waiting there? You little dipshit, little fuckface! Can you wash the plate?
Yeah.
Lachi bye, Aichi fucking bye. I'm sorry. Move la! Aisha, motherfucker!
Oh, no, you-
See, easy. This level is easy.
Yes.
I need the cut chocolate. Nice. I need chocolate. I need cut chocolate. Chop chocolate. Choppy chocolate. Cocklet.
Cockle, God.
Could you store the thing conveyor belt with milk?
How much milk would you like?
A lot.
Alright.
Oh god. Okay. I think I have too much chocolate. Oh my god. I can't off.
I wonder who wants so much milk, huh?
Alright. Coco.
No.
Why?
No. Enough suffering for today.
Okay, fine. Goodbye. Quitting! I rage quit! You know, there was one one game where I was the present. And then my friend said, it's okay, the box doesn't have a brain.
That's perfect for me.
You're a brainless present.
Exactly.